What's up, guys? This is Diego with Techie Life, and here we have the Pixel 3 XL. This is the pink version, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up here. Represented with this picture, Team Pixel. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see here. Let's flip it over. All right. Oh. Looks like I might have opened it upside down, but no matter. We'll just keep going here. So we got some earbuds here. They look to be USB Type-C. Doesn't look too bad. Looks like a pretty good quality. We'll test them out later, see how that goes. Let me get this back in here. And of course, yeah, it's a little hard to get out, but here we go. Okay. Let me just organize this real quick here. Alright, so we had the USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Interesting. We have to be like an adapter for the USB Type-C to regular USB to USB Type-C. And then we have the 3.5mm dongle to USB Type-C, which is I guess will come handy. And then we have the power brick here, and the interesting part is it has USB Type-C instead of just regular USB, so that will be interesting to use. And let's go for the phone. Oh wait, we got some manuals here. This is like a sticker. Yada yada yada. Let's see what's in here. Remove this. Just seems to be just quick instructions on how to get up and running here. Let's go to the phone here with the main event. Let's see what we find. So here's that Pixel 3. This is the pink color. This is for my wife, so I had to get it in pink. And looks to be like it's covered, the screen here. It's covered twice, actually. Feels pretty smooth. The build is very nice. It's nice and, has some weight to it, and it's very smooth in the back. It's a glass back, but, everything seems to be really nice here. So let's turn it on here. Look at that AMOLED screen. So yeah, there it is. Hopefully, you come across this device and say, wow. Subscribe, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Laters.